Hey there! Are you curious about the latest tech news? Well, I've got something fascinating for you. Today, we're going to dive into some of the most intriguing stories from TechCrunch, all in just 4 minutes. So, buckle up and get ready to explore the world of tech. First up's the concept of AI agents. You know how you have a personal assistant like Siri or Alexa? Well, imagine if the AI could become your virtual roommate. That's what an AI agent is all about. But here's where it gets weird. These AI assistants are being trained not just to help with tasks, but to understand and even predict your needs. Next, let's talk about quantum computing. Imagine if you could solve complex problems in seconds instead of days. That's what quantum computers can do thanks to their ability to process information using qubits, or quanta of matter and energy. But wait, there's more. Scientists are currently working on ways to make these machines even more powerful, opening up new possibilities for research and innovation. Lastly, let's explore the idea of smart cities. Imagine a city where everything is interconnected, from traffic lights to waste management systems. This is what smart cities aim to achieve through the use of IoT devices and advanced data analytics. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Privacy concerns and potential cyber attacks pose significant challenges for these city networks. So there you have it, the taste of some incredible tech developments from TechCrunch. But I want to leave you with a question. Would you trust an AI assistant with your daily tasks? Let me know in the comments. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check out our video on AI agents next week and subscribe for weekly tech breakdowns. Until then, happy exploring.